My old fluorescent fixture is broken. It just won't stay on, and I'm pretty sure it's not the bulb, so I decided to replace it with this cheapo LED thing from Home Depot. So it looks like I can remove the plastic cover with tabs, then check for what kind of screws are holding your fixture up on the ceiling. I wish I had my socket set, but I don't. Okay, so pulling out the bulb is easy. It's got a little plug. Undo the plug. Okay. Okay, now assess. So I'm going to need to attach some wires, it looks like. So I'm going to go shut off the electricity to the main house. And I have no idea which circuit goes to the attic ceiling. So I am just going to cut the master switch. So I checked the lights in the kitchen, living room, kitchen stove. The clock is out. I think I'm good. Okay, so I've got some needle nose pliers and I'm hoping to manage to get these screws out. It's not the best choice, but it's all I've got. This proved to be highly irritating. Actually, this is a good lesson about having good tools at hand. Somehow, it usually does work out, even without the right tools. Next step, look at the wires, maybe take a photo, and then remove the old fixture. Screw the wires of the new device in exactly the same way as the old device had the wires connected. Now, what I'd really like to do is turn on the power and make sure it's working before I reattach the fixture to the ceiling. Anyway, I was lucky enough to have some household items to stack up and create a handy shelf while I went back downstairs to the fuse box, switched on the master switch, and went back up to the attic. Success. Now, to find some good screws in my screw collection that don't require a socket set, I'm just going to jam some screws here through this cheap plastic. So just screw this fixture into something that's going to hold. There's these wood pieces here, and since the manufacturer holes were not aligned, this feels fine. Feels secure. Put the cover on, and then turn it on. Wait, put the decorative ring on first. Wait, no, wrong order. Put the decorative cover on first, then replace the cover. Turn into place. Stroke your handiwork with love and gratitude.